play in the activities column today. The activities column will be what we talk about when we talk about the building blocks of online learning tomorrow. So if you find yourself, I guess if you're ahead of the curve in terms of the activities that I've woven through today, then you can jump into that column. But no, I'm not asking you to do anything in the activities column today. So at the start, you have your learning objectives, and these are the statements that basically make it clear what you want students to be able to do at the end of this unit. Then once you've kind of articulated, this is what I want students to understand or know, and this is what I want them to be able to do, then you start thinking about, okay, what explanations do they need from me? What models do they need from me during this unit? Like, what am I going to have to explain or present in order for students to understand specific content knowledge or understand specific skills that we're working on? What are the individual activities that students are going to engage in to kind of develop that understanding of specific concepts, to practice specific skills or strategies? And in the activities column, this is where you're generally going to be thinking about,